Hey everyone, this is Steve. It's unusual for me to record videos at all for my online classes, and here I am recording two in one day for this class. But I just wanted to be real quick about it. Um, and, I had the video software up and running, so I thought I'd give it a try. First thing I wanted to mention is that I just finished calculating the participation grade for the first half of the semester. You should see that showing up on the Canvas grade book. What I do is I take the grades and I basically average it, and then I convert the GPA to a percentage, and then I use that percentage to figure out how many points out of 125 you get for the first half of the semester. It's a little bit of a messy system, and so if you think that you're like, hey, I should have got more points or whatever, let me know. We can talk. If you think you got too many points, don't say anything because you got a better grade. That's the first half of the semester. That's all done. The second half of the semester is based on the Wednesday before winter break, or I'm sorry, fall break until the end of the semester. That's thing number one. Thing number two is I've updated the schedule on the website. Not that I've filled in every single activity that we're going to be doing, but I do have what I think is now going to be a complete schedule for the rest of the term. And I want to show you that real quick here right now. I wanted to show you this because I think there's still some students who are a little bit confused about how to find what's due when. Do not pay attention to this. Okay, this is not necessarily right. The schedule, the current schedule, is right here in the middle. This document that has all the dates and such on it. Okay, this is on the home page. Anyways, I'm going to scroll down to where we are here, and we're right here. I'll be filling this in pretty soon, but as I mentioned before, I was going to switch some stuff around, and so we're going to do these readings here first, and then we're going to be doing a series of different kinds of activities. One thing that you'll notice here is we're going to start moving into the last activity while we're finishing up the keynote research report and also the graduate student research report and presentations about AI. So there's a little bit of multitasking there. And we'll be working on both of these things at the same time. But I also wanted to point out that we don't really have a lot more readings left this semester. There may be a couple of readings that I will add in here sooner than later, but we're basically done with most of the reading part. And the second half of the semester, besides the keyword research, is really all about the Krause lottery winnings proposal. So, just to hit some important due dates, we're going to do kind of an in-progress peer review session for the keynotes or the keyword project, which is to say you don't have to be completely done with this, but hopefully you'll have enough that you can share with others about your work in progress. That's going to be due on November 6th. The graduate students need to do the research report and presentation about AI, and we'll talk about when we'll get a chance to sort of read or to watch these videos and to talk more about what the graduate students did there. And then the semester kind of wraps up pretty quickly. So we're going to start doing keep working collaboratively with your group in the Krause Lottery Winnings Project. There's a few things that are due along the way. The topic progress report is due. Earlier than that, you're going to need to tell me about your plans in terms of how your collaboration, your group is going to work, and so forth. But the last two things of the semester, after we get done with what we're working on now, are the Krause Winnings Lottery Proposal. This is the group project that we do on the 27th, so the Monday after Thanksgiving break. Then, as part of that project, you all get to vote on which one of these proposals you think is best. You can't vote for your own proposal, but you can vote for one of the other ones, and the winning proposal automatically will get an A for that part of the project. Then we'll start talking about the individual project reflection essays on the 29th. We'll finish that peer review on December 4th. That essay will be due on the last day of class, and then we're all done. Okay. Okay, that's it for now. There'll be a few more updates coming, of course. And the other thing is that I owe you grades on the first project. The break put me a little bit behind, and everything else put me behind. I don't know why. This semester, I've just been behind. But anyways, I'm hoping to finish those by this time next week at the latest. Probably more like by Monday or so of next week. As always, let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you online.